This is level measurement trainer using bubbler method. We are using this panel level measurement by bubbler method MIT1f. This is total setup. Here we are using level tank 600 mm. Also we are using pressure gauge to measure the level, and to create the bubbles we are using here air regulator. For digital reading we are using the multimeter. By using this panel we can set the zero and span adjustment. For this we are refer the manual. As per the procedure we take the reading. For different level, and result of this table this is the output of observation table for level sensor.